Let's take a look at a scenario where your chat agent may not be able to effectively respond to the questions your customers may have. A customer starts a conversation with your chat agent. Asking a question specific to your business. The agent replies, but the answer is generic and doesn't address the customer's exact need. This exposes a key limitation of default settings. Without targeted training, like your products, policies, pricing, or local details, the bot can't deliver precise answers. The good news? You can fix this by adding your business content and FAQs, connecting data sources and fine-tuning response rules, so customers always get accurate, on-brand help. Now, let's add custom question and answer responses. From the Quick Hub dashboard, open Quick Chat. Go to Bot Details, then select Bot Response. Click Add Bot Response. Enter the question your customers ask, then type the exact answer you want the bot to provide. Click Add Response to save. Review Customize Response to confirm your new question, and answer is active. That's it. Your bot is now trained to handle this specific query with the response you've provided. Next, let's test it. From the Quick Hub dashboard, open Quick Chat again. Go to Bot Details, then Bot Response, and open Customize Response. Click Copy Link for your chatbot and open it in a new tab. In the chat window, enter the question you trained, using either the exact phrasing or a close variation. Check the bot's answer. It should match the response you created, with your business-specific details. That's it. Your training is live. And remember, you can add more question and answers anytime to keep answers accurate, consistent, and always on brand.